Albert Boufarah describes how to bring your community together to recycle. Individual actions when it comes to recycling responsibility are a necessity. However, the actions of a group or community can be extremely powerful. There are plenty of simple ways to make large-scale changes in your community regarding waste. Albert Boufarah is an entrepreneur and the CEO of Sammer Inc., a recycling center based in Lakewood, New Jersey. Through his time as CEO of Sammer, he has learned a great deal about the importance of recycling and the various ways to inspire people to get involved. Celebrate Earth Day as a community. Earth Day is held annually on April 22nd. Celebrating this international holiday is a great way to get your community interested in recycling and the environment at large. You can't go wrong celebrating Earth Day with a community cleanup initiative. According to Boufarah, not only is this type of event super easy to organize, but it will show people how easy and rewarding it can be to volunteer and care for the environment. Organize a recycling drive. Boufarah asserts that organizing a recycling drive in your neighborhood is a fantastic way of bringing the community together to recycle. Find a location where the community can bring their recyclable goods and arrange them to have them driven to the recycling depot or charity of your choice. Create a drop-off site for e-waste. The toll of throwing away an old computer or cell phone in a landfill is extremely high, which is why Boufarah recommends creating a local drop-off site for e-waste in your community. This site would specifically be for old devices that are still functional, but that the person no longer wants. That can then be donated or recycled properly. Host a donation event. A donation drive is an event where participants are asked to bring old toys, clothes, furniture, and more to a local park or recreation center. Attendees are invited to socialize, and at the end of the event, all items they donated are brought to a local charity. Albert Boufarah states that by adding a social aspect to donating and recycling, it will make your community more excited to partake and make a positive impact on the environment. Recycle responsibly and effectively. Trust the professionals at Sammer Inc. to properly recycle your old equipment.